Hey guys, in this video we're going to be showing how you can do remarketing with Google Ads to anyone who's watched your YouTube videos, been on your YouTube channel, subscribed to your channel, liked on any video or any channel, shared any channel, any video that you own on YouTube. So anyone who's connected with you and your business on YouTube, we're going to show you how you can then follow up with them with Google Ads to get them back into your business. So Marcus, why do we want to use remarketing in our business?
So remarketing is probably one of the least used strategies done by most businesses. Maybe like 9 times out of 10. A lot of the businesses and business owners that we come in contact with don't even know how to do it. They've never thought about it or anything like that. Now, this is a huge mistake because when you do remarketing to people who already know you to some degree, their conversion rate is so much higher. Like someone who knows you, who likes you, who trusts you, is 8 times more likely to buy from you, to give you their details, than someone who's never heard of you before.
The other part of it is that they also have a higher return on ad spend as well. So for example, like let's say for every $1 you spend, you might get like $3, $4, or $5 back with your normal ads. With your remarketing, it would be double. So if you're getting a 3 times return with your normal marketing, with your remarketing, you'd expect like 6, 9, 10. But like 2 to 3 times more in terms of like margin than what you would get normally with your normal advertising. So at the end of the day, you need to do remarketing, particularly to anyone who's following you on YouTube. They're going to be like a really warm audience that already know, like, and trust you. They're ready to buy your stuff, right?
So this is like your lowest hanging fruit. Like this fruit could be, this is so easy, it's ready to be picked. It's just ripe and ready,
ready to go. So what we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to do a full live demo on how to actually build this campaign out. Show you where to go into the back of Google Ads, how to do it, and go from there. So if you are getting any value from these videos, guys, please like, share, subscribe, push the little bell so you can be notified of any other videos that we have coming up in the future. So let's get straight into the back of Google Ads. So guys, this is the back of the Google Ads platform. If you've never been in here before, there'll be a video up the top here. Make sure you click it. It'll show you how to create your own Google Ads account so you can get in there and get underway. So let's show them how to build remarketing campaigns for anyone who's been on YouTube.
So the first thing, guys, once you come into your Google Ads dashboard, you want to come up here and hit Tools and Settings. Once you hit Tools and Settings, you come to your Shared Library column, and then you hit Audience Manager.
So hang on, before you go in there, that's where all your audiences live. So if you want to create any particular audiences, that's where you're going to go do it. Now inside of here, guys, is where all the different audiences that you can create, and even Google will create some for you. So there's lots of different audiences inside of here that you'll get access to.
Yeah. So then what you want to do, guys, is you'll come to a page like this, and you want to hit the little blue button with the plus in it, right? Create remarketing list. So once you're on this page, guys, what you want to do is hit the little blue button up here, okay? And then you want to go to YouTube users. So this is anyone that has interacted with you on YouTube at all, okay? So you click on that, and it brings you to a page like this. You want to name your audience. Just name an example. If I can spell. There we go.
Example.
And then list of members. So who is going to be in this list? So there's actually a fair number of people, or a fair number of audiences you can choose from. So it's viewed any video from a channel. So whatever channel that you choose right here, anyone that's viewed a video on that channel, okay, you can choose them. Viewed certain videos.
Now that could be good. That could be good. Like if you had certain videos and certain topics. So like we talk a lot about marketing, but let's say that we had a course just on how to do remarketing, for example. We could get all our videos on remarketing and go, okay, anyone who's watched these particular videos, let them show this one. Or maybe we're talking about Facebook ads. Anyone who's looked at any of our Facebook stuff, send them our Facebook ads training or whatever it is that we're doing. And that guys can relate that to your business as well.
Yeah, this is really powerful stuff, guys, that a lot of people aren't even using. Now, viewed any video as an ad from a channel, or viewed certain videos as an ad. So if you're running YouTube ads, you can literally retarget anyone that has watched that video for 30 seconds, watched the whole video, or clicked on your ad, all right? And those type of audiences can get really, really massive, really, really fast. And you know they're interested because they've interacted, they've been engaged with your ad before. So it's not anyone that's subscribed to your channels. Now these subscribers, like if you got thousands, even hundreds of subscribers, right? They like you, man. They subscribe to your stuff. They hit the notification bell, man. They they see all the time on YouTube, right? These are going to be really warm people that you could, this is super low hanging fruit, right? Visited a channel page. So if your channel has a page, right, they can target them. Liked any video, added any video to one of the playlist, or shared a video from one of your channels. So these are the different types of audience you can choose.
So you'd probably go with the top 4 are probably the first ones you would have a play around with, or your subscribers underneath that. Okay, so you'd probably do certain videos or viewed any videos from a channel, or a certain playlist or whatever it might be. Now the other ones down the bottom, you'd have to have kind of a bigger channel for those ones. But I mean, if you just got a medium-sized channel, the top 4 or 5 there are going to be really good options for you to go out there and create to get marketing out to.
So once you've done your audience name, you've picked who's inside this particular list, you've picked your channel, you want to come down here to pre-fill list options. And there you have 2 options here. Start with the empty list, which basically means you start with nothing, start from scratch, okay? Or pre-fill the list with people basically who've already subscribed or whatever it may be in the past 30 days. So if you already have a channel, start with pre-fill. If you don't have a channel, go with empty list.
Cool.
All right?
So the membership duration, how long do people stay in that audience for? So this would be, we want people who are going to stay for 30 days or 100 days or 200 days. Usually I find remarketing audiences older than 6 months, they kind of lose their flavor a little bit, okay? So you want to make sure, we usually do about 30, 60 or 90 days. 90 days is kind of our benchmark. But if you wanted to have like a really big one, like a really massive audience, you might do 540 days, which is the max that you're allowed to have inside of retargeting or remarketing audience inside of Google Ads. So once we've done that, we're pretty much done. We create and away we go.
So once you create your audience, what you'll do is you'll be taken to this screen right here with all your audiences. And what you want to do is come down here and we'll find ours. So yeah, so here it says YouTube subs, okay? This type is a YouTube user list, right? And it right here says populating. Now this populating will be going on for maybe a day, sometimes 36 hours. Normally it's less than a day. So once that's done populating, then you'll see the exact size of your list, and then on what platforms you can advertise them on. So search, YouTube, display, and Gmail campaigns.
Now the thing you really want to watch out for is another thing, just a bit of a pro tip, bonus ball to this video, is that YouTube will actually create similar audiences for you. Okay, so if you only have a couple hundred subscribers, that might be cool. What will happen is YouTube will now go and find people who are super similar to those people, and that might be in the millions or the hundreds of thousands, and you're able to then remarket to people who are similar to those who have subscribed to your channel, okay? So sometimes setting up remarketing audiences are cool because you can then get similar audiences which are really, really powerful to go out there and market your business to.
Okay, so now that you've created your remarketing audience, now you want to advertise to that audience. So we're gonna show you right now how to build a campaign and place that audience inside your campaign.
So what you want to do is head over there and click on one of the blue cross buttons. Inside the new campaign, look, it really doesn't matter what campaign you want to run. Obviously, we'll do without goal guidance. Now, if you want to do an image-based ad, then you would click display. If you want to do a video ad for remarketing on YouTube, then you would click video. So let's just click video for the sake of it. And then we'll just do custom video campaign. Look, if you wanted to understand all the different types of campaigns and how they work, there'll be a video up here how to build like super profitable YouTube campaigns. Go check that out. But we just want to show you whereabouts inside the campaign build that this sits. Continue. All right, so scroll on down. So it doesn't really matter. We just want to come down to where it says audiences and just here. So if we click the drop down from audiences, what we can do is we click on the browse button. We'll actually be able to find that one there where it says have interacted with your business, remarketing and similar audiences and YouTube users. We'll click on that, and then lo and behold, there's the one that we created right there. Okay, yeah. And then we can market straight to people who are on our subscriber list. Of course, if we scroll down, obviously with the campaign build, that's where you put your ad or whatever you want to do. But that's how you would select just those people in the campaign to go out to once you've built your remarketing audiences. So guys, look, if you've got any comments or questions, please let us know what they are in the chat below. Maybe give us your biggest takeaway that you've learned from this video. That would be really awesome. Other than that, thanks for hanging with us, and we got heaps of more content coming at you just after this.
See ya.